So good day, sir. Then, so this is my video discussion of programming task 1, which is the grayscale. So this is my design. I have the menu strip name file. Then under the file menu, I have the submenu, which is add image, clear image, save image, and close. Then in edit mode, I have the sub menu, which is box, then details, then center of image. Then I have two picture boxes, which is picture box 1 and picture box 2, and I have two buttons, which is calculating the average grayscale and the RGB grayscale. So in in adding an image, so this is the code. So open file dialog, then the new file open file dialog. So the open file dialog is a built-in function of the C# command. Then I use the bitmap, then name bmp, then new bmp open file. So if I click the add image, then I pick the image which is either BMP, JPEG, or PNG. So it will store in this variable, which is a bitmap. Then after that, we want to show the picture in this picture box 1. So I set the picture box 1 image to new bitmap, the name of bitmap up here. So which is the BMP. Then in close, or no, in clear image, then the code is this. So the clearing the image is simply put the null value, which is if it will clear the whatever are inside in the picture box. Then next are the save image. So we have the save file dialog. So this is also a built-in function in a C# command, ano, in a C# language. So I have filtered it to JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP. Then if the dialog of the save are equal to OK, then this line of code will be executed. So bitmap.save, then save that file name. So whatever the value of this picture box that image will be saved in this bitmap name. So it is because of this function, which is bitmap.save. So it will save in your directory, which is the picture directory, C drive directory, and in the picture folder. Then close, just simply this line of code, dispose, or you can use the this dot close function. It is the same in this dispose. So this line code is just closing your form, but in my case I use the dispose function built-in function so that I can go to another forms or another forms that I want to be shown. Then so in edit mode I have the box. So these are the code of boxing an image. Then details of the image. So this is the code. So I calculated the width and height, then times it. So this width and height are integer, and this, if the button is clicked, these two buttons are clicked, then it will generate the width of this bitmap, which is whatever inside in picture box 1, then the height also, then it will store in this variable, which is width and height are integer. So this width and height are set to integer in this global variable. So center of image, so this is the code of center of image. Then the average code is just like this. So BMP new bitmap picture box 1 dot image. So I calculated the width and height. Then I use the two for loops or the nested for loops to calculate the pixel of the image, which is BMP. So first I calculate the width of BMP, then next are the height, then after that inside the nested for loops I set the color, name pixel, then get pixel of the value of this of value of the image. Then I set the average. So this is the code to make your program make the average grayscale. Then we have the pixel r plus, then divided by 3 to get the average grayscale. Then set pixel to color from RGB pixel.a, average. So this variable are set to pixel, then set to color from RGB, which is the pixel.a, then average 3 average. Then I put the average function, the average result in the picture box 2. So the same as RGB, which is accepting the three value of this red, green, and blue variable. So this picture pixel is a function that accepts three double parameters. So this picture pixel is in this class, this function. So inside the picture pixel function, it has the BMP new bitmap picture box 1 that image. Then I also calculated the width and the height. Then the same as average but different in calculation. So instead of pixel.r plus pixel.g plus pixel.b, I calculated it the r value, whatever the value of this parameter will set to this line of code, then times 2 pixel that are then the same as green and blue, or B and G, then divided by 3, then same as the average set pixel, then it will return this function to these three parameters, which is double. Then once this function are set or kanang gi ning run, then if this function has no error, then it will go to next line of code, then which is picture box to that image equals to BMP. So the BMP will set the pixel to this line of code. Then we will run it to check if the program are running or it is really working. So mm, so this is my GUI. So get started, log in with password, log in, and okay. So I want to open the grayscale. So this is my GUI grayscale. So first we add the image, then mm, open edit with video photos, open with so milita o kuan picture. So open to. So milita picture. So ayan ni milita kaninga picture. So college student with laptop. X na to. Kani open. So as you can see na ada ni nga picture box. So once I click the average, it will generate the average grayscale, then the RGB grayscale. So as you can see, lahi ara sila output. Uh, and that's all, sir. Thank, thank you.